Ooh, got the bikes on today, huh?
You see?
You guys, it's going to, yeah, this side, onto that side. What's that YouTube? It's your boy DCT back with another banger. As you can see, the last video, we was pushing it home. It was nothing too bad. It started up. Like, it killed on me and it made a bad sound and I ain't really like it. It kept on cutting off and off and stuff like that. But right now, I'm about to tear the whole motor down, all that, frame, everything off here. If I can get it right, I'm gonna spray paint this bike over. I don't really like the white frame. My shocks, I need a new shock. It's spitting out fluid. This bike vibrates so hard. Everybody says it's the crank bearing. So vibrates so hard, I don't like riding it no more. So I might just do a whole rebuild kit on it. Crank, piston, all that. So right now, what I'm about to do, I'm about to come over here and pressure wash the whole bike if I can get it nice and clean. A motor, everything, pressure wash everything. Let's get into it. I gotta go get the pressure wash out the shed. Bro, I'm so tired, just woke up and it's like 1 o'clock. Like, that's not good. But all right, let's get into it. All right, YouTube, I just sanded the bike down, so I had to wash it down, and get all the sandpaper dust off it. So now I'm about to dry it off. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go back with white, and I'm doing the red frame, the red subframe white too. All that gonna be white. Everything will be white. Taking these on. Ah! Come again, bro. I'm Joe. Ah! Hey, bro, bike like. Hey, yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Man, the lights went out, man. Look at these. Man, this whole lights went out, man. Hey, I'm about to go by Mitchell. Come over there by Mitchell. I'm about to go by Mitchell. Bring me by Mitchell. Man, the lights went even out, son. All of them? Yeah. Wagner and everything. Y'all not out? Think she calling the police on us. No, not. Think she calling the police on us. Yeah, she calling the police, bro. Drop it off right here. What you doing? I'm about to take the back with you. She calling the police, bro. She calling the cops, bro. What you doing? Trying to, nigga got a flashlight. What you doing? What? I'm not doing nothing. That's not me. Why you flashing the lights at me? Wait, what? Bro, don't got nothing. It's a four-wheeler. What a four-wheeler got to do with kids? Lights. Y'all be riding forwards all the time. Don't come at me, stupid. You flashing a flashlight in my face, I'm gonna do it back to you. Law, y'all doing too much. Y'all be on some. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy DCT back with another banger. Today's video, I'm gonna get y'all some riding footage. Me and Nuna and Snoopy got stopped by the cops. Got chased by the cops while my bike was broke. Bike had broke, got chased. But today, I got a bike coming over here. I'm about to fix it up right quick. So yeah, let's get into it. Another banger. Got an Trx450. So today, it's not for me, it's for a customer. So today, his caravan messed up. So I'm about to take the axle off and slide that caravan. Yeah, oh yeah. And I do have the Banshee back. Yes, sir. Got the Banshee right here. It's like gotta clean it a little bit. You know, been riding it. Got the bearing right here. I got two. This one for a 400 and this one for a TRX. I said TRX. An LTZ 450, the one in the backyard. This one brand new. So I gotta fix that. And I gotta fix a 400. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, YouTube. So first thing we about to do is take this lock nut off. And then we'll take that off. And then they got a clip right there. And then we'll loosen that, take the little clamp off, and take the big nut off. And that's the axle nut to hold the whole thing on. We're gonna take all this off right here, cause the axle's supposed to slide this way. So we're gonna take the wheel off, both of the wheels, and then after that, once we take all this off, we will slide everything this way. Keep this on, take the brakes off, and we're gonna slide the whole axle this way. And then after that, I got tapped out the what is this? The carrying bearing. I could tap it out this way, and then I could just slide a new one in, put the axle back in, brake, what else? All this part, all this, put it back on, wheels, and then we done. So let's get into it. Whew, tired. Got the lock nut off. So now, let's see if we can find it here. Oh, I don't even think his got a. Yeah, his just come right out. He don't got no lock nut right here. What is it called? Oh yes, he do. Wait, hold up. See that little clip right there? Gotta take that little clip out. All right, YouTube. Got the axle out. Tired. So now, they got one more clip. Gotta take this clip off, and then I can slide everything out. The carry bearing. So now, what I'm gonna do? Get that clip out. Let's get into it. All right, YouTube. So now, what I had there now, they had a clip on this part. Wait, let me see. Yeah, this part. And I just took the clip off, and it had another clip on the other side, and took it off. And I used those over there. It's just like these, but these the smaller ones. And you put it in a hole like that. I forgot what it's called. And then you open it up, and then the clamp come off. Now, what I want to do is hit it with a hammer and push it out. Push the carry bearing out. So let me get y'all a good angle. Y'all see? Yes, sir. All right. There we go. It's out. Caravan is out, so y'all can see. It's kind of a little beat up, a little rust inside there, all that. So now, yeah, it's beat up bad. That don't supposed to be like that. So now, what I want to do, I'm gonna go get the other one, hurry and put it in, and put everything back together. All the stuff, wheels, axle, brakes, washers, all that back to the new Caravan, and then we're out for today. You hear me?